Which of these products is usually put inside the washing machine? Fabric softener, air freshener, toothpaste, or shampoo? Correct answer is A, B, C, or D. Correct answer is fabric softener. A common phrase referring to a brief period of notoriety is 15 minutes of what? Fame, fortune, favor, or fantasy? A. Fame. Final answer. What word can mean both a follower of a sports team and a handheld device used to keep cool? Blower, fan, cooler, or ventilator? B. Fan. Final answer. Which of these is a simplified form of the card game poker? 5-card boast, 5-card show off, 5-card swagger, or 5-card brag? D. 5-card brag. Final answer. What is the name of a color? Fuchsia, bougainvillea, hydrangea, or magnolia? A. Fuchsia. Final answer. What is the capital city of Sierra Leone? Bridgetown, Kingstown, Freetown, or Georgetown? C. Freetown. Final answer. Which of these is not an animal? Flying fox, flying squirrel, flying fish, or flying saucer? D. Flying saucer. Final answer. Which part of a house will be protected by a fender? Kitchen sink, fireplace, bathtub, or immersion heater? B. Fireplace. Final answer. Papa is the French word for which relation? Son, uncle, father, or brother? C. Father. Final answer. Which of these is not an ingredient in a traditional Caesar salad? Anchovies, croutons, garlic, or feta cheese? D. Feta cheese. Final answer. As what is Thierry Mugler most famous? Philosopher, fashion designer, footballer, or poet? 50-50. Computer, please take away 2 of the randomly selected wrong answers. Fashion designer or footballer? B. Fashion designer. Final answer. Where was the destination for the Queen Mary 2 on her maiden voyage? Cape Town, Hong Kong, New Zealand, or Florida? D. Florida. Final answer. The Broken Column and Diego and I are works by which painter? Giorgio O'Keeffe, Frida Kahlo, Salvador Dali, or Claude Monet? B. Frida Kahlo. Final answer. Nokia is a smartphone company of which country? Sweden, Norway, Finland, or Denmark? C. Finland. Final answer. Which of these composers died in Germany in 1847? Felix Mendelssohn, Frédéric Chopin, Franz Schubert, or Franz Liszt? C. Franz Schubert. Final answer. Okay, correct answer is Felix Mendelssohn. $2, please.